Hello guys, welcome back to Joseph Plumbers. If you are new to this channel guys, remember to subscribe, likes and share. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect the hand wash on the wall. Guys, the hand wash you see here, this is the hand wash that I'm going to fix on the wall. And this is the GI pipe that I'm going to use to hold this hand wash on the wall guys. So watch as I'm going to fix it, then you will be able to know how to install the ordinary hand wash on the wall. Thank you guys for watching. Watch how I'm going to prepare this GI pipe that I'm going to use it to hold this hand wash. So guys, this is the GI pipe that I'm going to use it to the hand wash that I showed you. So this is the hook that will hold that hand wash guys. So continue watching as I proceed with this video guys. Guys, I completed to prepare the GI pipe that I'm going to use it to hold the hand wash. As you see the way I have prepared it. So it's time now to go to use it on the hand wash guys. So it's time now to fix the pillar tap on the hand wash guys with the bottle trap. So watch how I'm going to fix the pillar tap plus the bottle trap guys. So the GI pipe you see here, the one that I was preparing. So the hook you see here, it will enter to this hole. The hole you see here, like this. You enter this like the washer guys. This is the back nut. So guys, our tap is ready now. So it's time now to fix the bottle trap on this hand wash. Then ensure you apply the tape on the rubber the way I'm doing, guys. So this is my tape that I'm applying on this rubber, guys, the way I'm doing. So guys, my tape is enough. So it's time now to fix to this hand wash. Watch the way I'm doing. So it's time now to fix the bottle trap. So guys, already I have completed to fix the pillar tap and the magic bottle trap, guys. So this is my hand wash. It's time now to go and fix it on the wall. So continue watching as I proceed with this procedure of installing the hand wash, guys. So guys, this is the point that I'm going to fix the hand wash here. As you see, this is the waste and this is the clean water, guys. Already I have fixed the flexible tube, which is the 2 feet. As you see, this is the 2 feet flexible tube. So I'm going to mount this hand wash here, guys. So continue watching, then you will be able to know how I'm going to mount this hand wash to this wall. I mark the point where I'm going to fix the screw. This is the point. Another point here, as you see, where I'm going to fix the screw that I will hold the hand wash. So it's time now to drill, guys. So watch the way I'm drilling. You can decide to put the screw through the point I showed you, so, or nails. So to me, I decided to insert the nail here. So where the nail will enter to this hole, as you see, to the hand wash, the nail will enter here, guys. You can see the way I'm putting it. You can move closer, guys. Like this. So after putting like that, then you will measure the point of the GI, guys. So still watching, then you will see how I will go to measure the point of the GI pipe. So guys, I measured the point where I'm going to insert the GI pipe. This is the point of the GI pipe, and there is another point here, guys. So it's time now to drill it. Then you can continue watching on how I'm going to drill it. Then you will see how I'm going to insert the GI pipe. I completed it to fix the GI pipe. This is my GI pipe that I'm going to use it to hold this hand wash, guys. So already I fixed it on the wall, as you see, and this is my nail. Also it will assist me to hold this hand wash, guys. So it's time now to fix this hand wash to this GI pipe. You will be able to see as you watch this video, guys. Place your hand wash like this. Then you remember the hooks I showed you in the previous time, guys. This is the hook that will enter here. You will see then how it entering. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So guys, I completed it to install this hand wash, guys, as you see. Can watch, then you see how I fixed it. So guys, follow Joseph Plumbers for more video. Remember to subscribe, likes and share. Thank you guys for watching.